In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what year you joined PayPal. If you've ever wanted to know when your PayPal account was first created, the good news is that it's very quick to check. PayPal shows this information right inside your account profile, so you do not need to search through old emails or account history. As long as you're signed in, you can usually find it in just a few seconds. To get started, go to your PayPal account homepage while logged in. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top area of the page for the gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your account settings. Click on that icon to open settings. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to your profile and account settings area. This section contains your personal account details, preferences, and general account information. If you're following along on a desktop browser, this is usually very easy to spot, and the layout is fairly straightforward. Now, once you're inside your profile, direct your attention to the top part of the page. This is where PayPal displays basic account information. Look for the word joined followed by a year. That year tells you when your PayPal account was originally created. For example, if it says joined 2018, that means your account was opened in the year 2018. This is the quickest way to confer how long that you've had your PayPal account without needing to dig any deeper into your settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're viewing the profile section at the top of settings and not another tab or subsection. Sometimes people click into payment methods, security, or notifications by mistake, so it helps to return to the main profile view if needed. Also, keep in mind that PayPal's layout can vary slightly depending on your region, account type, or whether you're using a mobile browser instead of a computer. But in general, the process is the same. Open settings with the gear icon, then check the top of your profile for the joined date and year. And that's all there is to it. That's how to find what year you joined PayPal. Once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to check anytime you need it.